What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all doing well. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. And today I'm also going to go through USD Japanese yen pair, as I can see a very good movement out of that since my last video, and today the price is about to hit a level of next major support in USDJPY. Gold and silver also hit the level of major resistance, which is what I'm going to talk about in today's video. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? So as mentioned in my last video 2 days ago, I've said that if we have a condition, we are going to enter the buy trade above 50 EMA. And do you see any sort of conditions right here? No, we did not see any sort of conditions right here. We do have a bearish engulfer, a selling pressure right here, and as you can see, price has pushed down nicely. Now I did not enter this trade because I have a different pattern to enter the trade. That is totally a different pattern I trade, but again I did not enter this trade. So now let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can understand conditions and entries. I still want to see a good green candle, one more green candle, and then a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer. Sure, conditions are really important. Price has just broke above. That doesn't mean you start buying. We can still get another candle as a red candle closed below, back in the zone, and price can still fall. So that is why I want to see a good momentum. Now here on capital.com, as you can see, the price is still in the support, still in the resistance area. That is why I say I need a good momentum. Broke above this zone, one more candle, and then I'll look for the pullback followed by a bullish engulfer and keep on going long. If we have a next candle closed as a bearish engulfer that happened in this area, in that case we are still bearish, we are still not bullish, we're still not going to buy. Awesome. So if the price keep on pushing down and continue to push down, I'll keep this zone below, which is 2.478 goes up to 2.561. I've redone the zone on Oanda, which I'm going to go through in a moment. For now, just have the zones on your charts, and all you need to mark your rejection areas like this. So if the price hit the zone below, it keeps on pushing down, rejected here, then we have a possible signal that price will push up, but I want to see a good reason to enter, like bullish engulfers or a pin bar. So that is a condition if the price keeps on pushing down. Let's say if the price won't make it to the zone and just start to give you a pullback. In that case, I will still look for my sell trades only. If you remember my last video, yesterday's video, I've said that as long as price is completely broken above this zone with a good momentum, only then I'll look for my buy trade. If you have watched the video carefully, you know that we did not have any sort of condition. Instead, the price now pushed down. So again, if the price gives you a pullback followed by bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'll still go short. If the price pull back to the zone again, to this area and rejected here, I will still go short. I will only go long once we have a complete break above this previous high and possibly this zone, which I mentioned in my last video. Once that happens, only then I will start to look for the bullish natural gas trades. For now, price is still above 50 EMA on long term, but we can possibly get a hit of the rejection area and then a bounce again. So for now, if you see, the price is just ranging in between this zone, not breaking above or below this area. So keep an eye here. I've already given you the conditions. Again, the conditions are buy from here or buy above this zone. And for sell, if you have a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, we are going to go sell. And if you have a push up hit of the zone again, and then if we have a rejection here, we're going to go short. So keep an eye here. Look for the conditions. Once we have a condition, we're going to go short or long. Here on Oanda, let me give you the zones first. Just redone the zone, which is 2.342 goes up to 2.459. Just redone the zone. So for now, price is pushing down and broken below 50 EMA. I will only look for sell condition. Like let's say we have one more red candle and then we have a pullback, a retest of this zone again. I will still go short followed by bearish engulfer. That is what I'm looking at for net gas, not buying for now. Buy only above this previous high. Once the price pushes up, break above this zone, this high and this high possibly, only then I'll start to look for further buy trades. For now, I'm just looking for sell trades. A zone below is the zone. If we have push down a zone, is to enter my buy trades only. Keep an eye here, enter with conditions only. Next one, we have gold. So if you remember this zone, I've mentioned from last couple of weeks, and I've been mentioning that to my members and here on my YouTube videos as well. Price has finally hit the zone above in red. So for now, all I want to see a good signal to sell the market. Hitting the zone doesn't mean the price will definitely fall. Yes, it can likely fall, but as a professional traders, we need to look for a condition. Look for conditions on 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, we do have a bearish engulfer, but I want to see a complete engulfer engulfs the wick as well for a strong signal. That can be a signal as well, but a weak signal for bearish engulfer. If you are a risky trader, you can take $4, take profit, and $4 for your stop loss if you want to take a risk. But I will personally wait for a good reason. Let's say I want to see one more green candle and then a red engulfing candle. Once we have that, we have a very good signal to go short something like this, a nice bearish engulfer I want to see here. Or if we have a push up, push down, push up, something like this, a double top pattern will be a very strong pattern to sell the market if you're not an aggressive trader. So these are the conditions I'm looking at for gold. Keep an eye, and once we have a condition, we are good to go short again. For now, if you have no condition, you just see a pullback, which is very likely followed by bullish engulfer, I will still go long. For both entries, I will look for conditions. Next one here, we have silver. Silver also in the area of value, which I've mentioned in my last couple of videos and my members as well. 24.02 goes up to 24.60, a zone from where I'm expecting a possible fall. Exactly like gold, I want to see one more green and then red candle, a possible bearish signal. As you can see, we have overbought situation in the RSI, and if we get a signal like bearish engulfer, with that we have a very good reason to enter sell trade. For now, I just want to look for one green and one red candle or a double top formation. If we have that, we are good to go short. If no signal, price just give a normal pullback followed by bullish engulfer, I will still go long and look for double top formation and exit my trades right here. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long or short. Just DM me if you are still confused. Next one, we have crude oils. Crude oil is also pushing up nicely, about to hit a level of major resistance, a zone we've been waiting from last couple of weeks as well, which is 76.62 goes to 78.93, a zone from where we're going to enter our sell trade. For now, if we have a next candle closed as a bearish engulfer, in that case we can get a nice pullback even though the price did not hit the zone above. If you are wondering, if you are my full MMTA course student, this is entry which you're going to learn in the advanced section called RSI U-turn strategy. But for now, just give you a heads up, if we have a next candle as a bearish engulfer, we can expect one ATR pullback, and I'll still look for aggressive entries at this area of value which I've just mentioned, engulfers or double top entry confirmation. So keep an eye here for your conditions. So last one, let's check the Forex pair, which is USD Japanese yen. We took this trade in the priority group right here, and that nicely broke below this level of support as well and pushing down to the next level of support. Now this zone is, by the way, we also had one losing trade as well. Priority group is not a magic group. Just to give you a heads up, we had one losing trade right here as well. All the conditions are going in my favor, but price has fallen down. That is what we can expect from trading. All we need to do is manage your risk. If you are taking a big trade with larger pips, make sure you manage. So coming back to your USD Japanese yen, price is now about to hit the level of major support. 136.87 goes up to 137.94. This is an area from where I'm expecting a counter trade, a very good bounce with bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry confirmation. If you're a less aggressive trader, this is a zone where I'll be looking at to enter my counter buy trades. Only have these zones on your charts. Once the price hit the zone, we are good to go long from here. For now, if the price won't make it to the zone, we can still get a pullback bearish engulfer, and we're still going to take short until we hit the zone. An area of value, this whole zone will be my buying area with conditions only. If you go back and see, a very good level right here acted as a level of support and resistance in the past multiple times. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. Right here, let's do Euro USD as well, as price is now pushing down for this pair, and the next zone which I'm paying attention for my buy trades is 150.45 goes up to 151.60. This is the area from where I want to enter my buy trades if the price make it to my zone this week or next week. Have these zones on the charts, enter your trade with conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom confirmation. So I decided to add two Forex pair as well. I was getting lots of messages from traders to add these two pairs in my analysis. Hope you got a value out of this. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.